Hello and welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be calculating limits of quotients. You can find these exercises in Thomas Calculus 14th edition and they are exercise 23 to 42 and this is exercise 27. So for the limit as t approaches 1 for t squared plus t minus 2 divided by t squared minus 1. If we take the limit straight away, we'll get the answer 0 divided by 0 or a constant divided by 0, which we can't have that. So what we must do is simplify the fraction here. We must simplify the numerator and the denominator. So for the numerator we can split it into two brackets. How do we get t squared? Is t times t. How the signs are plus because a positive multiplied by a positive is a positive and a positive multiplied by a negative is a negative. So how what two numbers that we can multiply to give us 2 and we can add them both together and get 1, which is 2 and 1. So we have 2 1. Now let's test these two brackets. If we get the same answer, then our theory is correct. So we have 2 squared, which is t multiplied by t, and minus t times plus 2t minus 2. And we have t squared minus t and plus 2t is positive t minus 2. And we get the same as the numerator, so that is correct. Now the denominator we can also split it into two brackets. How do we get t squared? Is t multiplied by t. Let's think of the denominator as t squared plus 0t minus 1. So a positive times a positive is a positive, and a positive times a negative is a negative. And how do we get 1? Is 1 times 1. So we have 1 here and 1 there. Let's distribute these and see if our theory is correct. So we have t squared minus t plus t minus 1. And these two cancel out, which gives us 2t squared minus 1, which means our theory is correct. So we can rewrite the limit as t approaches 1, and we get t square t plus 2 multiplied by t minus 1, sorry, let's get rid of that, divided by t plus 1 multiplied by t minus 1, and the t minus 1 both cancel out, which leaves us with limit as t approaches 1 for t plus 2 divided by t plus 1. And if we take the limit here, which it will give us 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1, which will give us 3 divided by 2. And that's the final answer. Thank you for watching. Like if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and share if it's helpful. Thank you.